Hi everybody, here's an overview of Tuesday's work. This is basically 7.2 from our book. We're going to be finding a missing dimension given either a parallelogram or a triangle, and then finding the area of composite figures. So here's how you find a missing dimension. This is probably super easy. Here's a rectangle or a parallelogram, and we know the area is 10 feet squared. So the base is 5 feet, so we know that the height must be 2 feet. Here's your formula. So 10 is the area, 5 is the base, and then height is unknown. Divide both sides by 5, and yes, indeed, the area or the height is 2 feet. Here is a triangle with a missing dimension. They tell us the area is 30 millimeters squared, and we know the height is 6 millimeters. What's the base? Start with your formula. I'm going to ask that you write your formula and actually substitute values in. That will help you as we get to more difficult problems like trapezoids, and next year when you get to even more complex shapes. So here is the formula. We're going to plug everything in. The area is 30, so I just put it right below the A, and the base is unknown, but the height is 6. And we know half of 6 is 3, so we have 3b on the right. Divide both sides by 3 and find our base to be 10. Now, how do we find the area of these composite figures? Well, hopefully if you're looking at something like this, you say to yourself, it looks like there's a parallelogram and a triangle. So in the book, you'll see one that looks just like this. I'm going to give you a minute to see if you can figure out the area of this total shape. Remember, you're going to find the area of the parallelogram and then find the area of the triangle and add them together. So go ahead and pause. And now that you're back, here is the answer, and you'll watch a video on this in just a second, so you'll see the details of this. Here's another figure that is not just a rectangle or just a triangle. It's actually a parallelogram, or rectangle here, with a bite out of it, and that bite happens to be in the shape of a triangle. So if we wanted to find the area of this gray figure, we would find the area of the parallelogram and then subtract this little part that was kind of bitten off. So I'll give you a minute to try that, and then I'll show you the answer. So here is the answer. I didn't show you all the work, so if you have any questions, you can send me a message or ask a friend. Otherwise, that's our beginning for today. Now you can watch a couple of professional big ideas videos and then try an assignment. I hope you're all doing well. Bye now.